Greetings, fellow creators. Today, I bring you a message from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the messenger of truth and the blessings of the universe. You, with your brain and 5 fingers, are fully equipped to achieve greatness in your creativity. Think about it. The constant work of the wind, water, and sand in your life is not just a natural phenomenon, but a powerful force supporting your journey. Here on Earth, you are safe and secure in your creative endeavors. Your creativity is a gift, not only to yourself, but to your fellow humans. It's a way to make life easier, richer, and more meaningful for everyone around you. The wind, the water, and the sand, they acknowledge your efforts. They follow every human being, recording all our activities without a single mistake. These elements are like the gentle guardians of our creativity, ensuring that our intentions and actions are recognized and preserved. You are secured in your good work of supporting humanity. Your creative time and efforts are backed by the ever-present forces of nature. The wind, water, and sand are always at work to bring out the best in you, to enhance your creative potential. Remember this, the wind, water, and sand are here to support you. They're at work with your good attention, helping you achieve good here on Earth. They sustain all humans, enabling us to live and achieve our greatest potential before we move on to the afterlife. So do not work against your fellow human beings. Just as the wind, water, and sand sustain us all, we must support each other to create a better world. Our actions and creativity today pave the way for a peaceful existence beyond this life. Today is September 11th, 2024. It's Eki, a market day in Igbo land, a day of good wishes and fulfillment. Let this message bless you with your good wishes, and may they come to fruition. Ise, so shall it be. This is a reminder from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the wind, water, and sand, the blessings of the universe. Continue to create, to support, and to uplift humanity with your unique gifts. Stay inspired, stay creative, and may the forces of nature always guide your path. Until next time, remember you are not alone. The wind, water, and sand are always with you. Thank you, and may you always be blessed in your creative journey.